This is the Bravo by Fairmont. This model is a 60-inch vanity, double sink. It only comes in the one color, but boy, what a color, especially with this black metal trim. Really, and the matching black metal base, terrific piece. Fairmont, as always, super quality construction. This is a really cool feature our customers love. You can leave your curling iron here, your hairdryer here, leave them plugged in. You can even charge your phones, and you don't have to unplug them. Drawer action, again, is all soft close. Lots of storage. This side has a shelf that pulls out. You can actually swap these if you want the electrical on the other side of the cabinet. That's no problem. This top is really cool. If you notice, it's a one piece with integrated sinks, and if you can see it on camera, it's a matte white finish. Looks great in real life. It's Fairmont's FD stone composite or solid surface, and you can get it with 8-inch widespread or single hole configurations. Again, the Fairmont 60-inch double vanity Bravo, just another nice piece by Fairmont.